Before we start, quick question. Do you want to look put together every single day without stressing over your hair? Because if the answer is yes, then stay with me. This might completely change how you approach your look. Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you get dressed, and without doing anything extra, you already look neat, polished, and confident. No rush, no frustration, no second guessing. That's the goal. And today, we're breaking down exactly how to achieve that kind of effortless, professional appearance. But here's the catch. Most people are doing it wrong. They think looking expensive means doing more. More styling, more effort, more time. Not true. In fact, the women who always look put together, they actually do less. Yes, less. But they do it strategically. Now pause for a second. Think about the last time you saw a woman who looked effortlessly elegant. What stood out? Was it complexity? Or was it how clean and intentional everything looked? Exactly. It's the neatness. Now let's get into something important, time. Because if you're working, running a business, or managing a busy schedule, time is not something you want to waste. And this is where the right hair routine becomes powerful. Not just for beauty, but for efficiency, because when your hair is already handled, you free up mental space for more important things. Now, a quick reality check. How many times have you been late or stressed just because of your hair? Be honest. That's exactly what we're eliminating. Now here's the shift. Instead of asking what style looks good, start asking, what style works for my life? That one question changes everything, because a style that looks good but is hard to maintain will never be consistent. And consistency is what creates that always put together image. Now listen carefully. You don't need 10 different styles. You need 1 or 2 that work perfectly for you. That's it. Master those, and you'll always look intentional. Now let's talk about something most people ignore. The illusion of effort. Because the truth is, the most elegant women don't look like they're trying too hard. Everything just looks natural. But here's the secret. It's planned, very planned. Now think about this. If your hair looks neat every single day, what does that communicate? Discipline, self-respect, attention to detail. And those things go beyond appearance. They affect how people treat you. Now, quick pause. This part is important. Your appearance is not just about beauty. It's about perception. Before you speak, before you explain yourself, people have already formed an opinion. So the question is, what is your look saying about you? Now let's flip it. Imagine walking into a room knowing you already look good, not hoping. Nah. That confidence, it shows. Now here's another key point. Versatility. A lot of people think they need different looks for different occasions. Work, meetings, events. But that's not always necessary. Sometimes, all you need is a simple adjustment. A slight change in how you carry your look, and everything shifts. From casual to professional. From simple to refined. Now stop for a second and think, what if you could achieve that without starting over every time? That's where smart styling comes in. Now let's talk about maintenance, because this is where everything either works or fails. And I'll keep this simple. If you ignore maintenance, nothing lasts. It doesn't matter how good it looked on day 1. So here's what actually matters. A clean, healthy scalp, consistent moisture, protecting your hair while you sleep, and avoiding unnecessary tension. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Now, quick question again. Are you doing these consistently? Because if not, that might be the reason your look doesn't last as long as it should. Now let's bring it back to you. As you've been watching, something must have stood out. Something that made you think, I can actually do this. That's your starting point. Not everything, just that one thing. Now here's where most people get stuck. They overthink. They wait for the perfect time. They try to change everything at once. Don't do that. Start simple. Build consistency. Then improve gradually. That's how real transformation happens. Now, before we close, I want you to make a decision. Yes, right now. Which look are you choosing? Drop it in the comments. Even if you're not 100% sure, pick one, because action creates clarity. Now, if you've made it this far, that means you're serious about upgrading your look. And if you're ready to take it to the next level, check the guide in the description. It's designed to help you look polished, confident, and effortlessly put together every single day. No stress, no confusion, just results. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this. And remember, looking good is not about doing the most. It's about doing the right things consistently. I'll see you in the next video.
Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid's